Welcome, Vadim is here, and today I'll walk you through key things you need to understand. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me take you step by step through recovering of replaced file on Windows when you might have accidentally overwrote the important document. The fastest way to do it is use ONEDRIVE Version History, but it only works if your file is on OneDrive. To do this from File Explorer, you need to right-click on the file, select OneDrive, View Online, and select Version History. If you're doing it from OneDrive's web interface, you need to right-click on the file, select Version History, and restore the previous version. And the best thing is that cloud versions survive even device loss and let you roll back a single file without touching anything else. Another cool thing is that if the file was deleted, you can open the recycle bin and select the item and select Restore. To restore accidentally overwritten files, you can try System Restore. It rolls Windows system files and settings back to the earlier restore point. To access System Restore, type System Restore in the search bar. In System Properties dialog box, click System Restore, navigate through the wizard, and select the restore point you are trying to recover to. Click Finish to complete the restore. Here's the tip for you. Before you restore, copy the current version of the file elsewhere so you can compare afterwards. To restore accidentally overwritten files, you can also use free data recovery tools. But you need to act fast. The best thing to do is to stop using the drive, close all the apps, pause downloads, go to Microsoft Store, and search for WinFR. Another great tool is AutoRecover, which is also free. What you want to do here, you want to install and run it on a different drive. Scan the source drive, preview and recover to an external drive. After the installation, AutoRecover launches the wizard and helps you walk through to restore your accidentally overwritten file. And here are the golden rules of data recovery. Make sure you recover to a different drive than the one you're scanning. And if the data is mission critical or the disk is failing, stop DIY and contact professional recovery services.